There is a place in the universe so empty that according to everything we know about physics, it should not exist. Not rare, not unlikely, impossible. And yet, when astronomers pointed their telescopes toward it, they realized something even more disturbing. It is not completely empty. Welcome to the Curiosity Beast, where curiosity runs wild. Tonight, we are exploring a cosmic mystery that has quietly unsettled scientists for more than 40 years. A region of space known as the Bodi's Void. And by the end of this journey, you may never think about empty space the same way again. Look up at the night sky. Those tiny points of light are not just stars, they are suns, many larger and more powerful than our own. Beyond them lie galaxies, billions of them, each packed with hundreds of billions of stars, planets, and unknown worlds. The universe is overwhelming in its abundance, which is exactly why what comes next makes no sense. Because there is a region of space where almost nothing exists, a place so vast and so silent that it breaks our models of how the universe formed. Before we go any further, think about this. Do you believe the universe can truly contain emptiness? Or does emptiness itself demand an explanation? Share your thoughts in the comments, because this question matters more than you think. To understand why the Bodi's Void is such a problem, we need to zoom out, far beyond Earth, beyond the solar system, beyond the Milky Way. At the largest scales, the universe looks nothing like scattered dots. It forms a structure known as the cosmic web. Galaxies cluster along enormous filaments of matter, like glowing threads stretched across space. And between these filaments are massive bubbles of near-nothingness called cosmic voids. Voids are expected. They are a normal part of how the universe evolves, but not like this. The Bodi's Void spans roughly 330 million light-years across. Light, the fastest thing in the universe, would take 330 million years to cross it. When that journey began, dinosaurs did not exist. Mammals had not evolved. Humanity was unimaginable. Based on everything we know, this region should contain around 2,000 galaxies. Instead, astronomers found fewer than 100. That is not just empty. That is a statistical nightmare. At first, scientists assumed there must be a mistake. Perhaps it was not a single void at all. Maybe several smaller voids simply lined up from our point of view. So they mapped the region in 3 dimensions, and that explanation collapsed. The void was real. One enormous, spherical absence in the cosmic web. Then came the first anomaly. Inside this emptiness, astronomers discovered galaxies arranged in a long, tube-like structure, almost like a highway cutting through the void. That should not happen. Galaxies inside voids are supposed to be isolated, scattered, lonely, but these were not. And it did not stop there. Some of these galaxies were starburst galaxies, forming stars at extreme and unnatural rates. Starbursts are usually triggered by violent interactions, collisions, close encounters. But inside the Bodi's Void, there should be nothing close enough to cause this. So what triggered them? Take a moment to think about that. If something is influencing galaxies in a place that is almost completely empty, what does that say about how empty space really is? Then came something even stranger. Astronomers detected unexplained radio signals coming from regions of the void where no visible galaxies could be found at all. Signals coming from almost nothing. If this is starting to feel unsettling, comment void below, because the mystery is only deepening. On one side of the Bodi's Void lies one of the largest known structures in the universe, the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, a massive filament of galaxies stretching nearly 10 billion light-years. Some scientists believe its immense gravity may have pulled matter away, helping carve out the void. Others think both structures formed together during the universe's earliest moments. But then a question emerged that most scientists are hesitant to ask. What if the Bodi's Void is not empty because matter left? What if it is empty because matter was used? There is a concept called the Kardashev scale, which ranks civilizations by how much energy they control. A Type 1 civilization controls the energy of its planet. A Type 2 controls the energy of its star. A Type 3 controls the energy of an entire galaxy. If a Type 3 civilization existed, how would it appear from far away? Some speculate it might surround stars with massive energy harvesting structures, absorbing their light. From a distance, that region would look dark, silent, empty. Not because nothing is there, but because everything is being consumed. There is no direct evidence that such a civilization exists, no confirmed signatures, no proof. But the Bodhi's void keeps this idea alive because it refuses to behave like a normal void. It is too large, too empty, too strange. If you are still watching, subscribe to the Curiosity Beast, where we explore questions that sit right at the edge of what science can explain. And here's the part that should truly unsettle you. The Bodhi's void is not unique. Astronomers have discovered many massive voids scattered throughout the universe. So the real question is not what is inside this one. It is this: how many other empty regions are out there, and how many of them are only empty because we do not yet understand what we are looking at? Because sometimes, in a universe filled with light, the most frightening thing of all is the darkness that answers back.